Today we are starting our evaluation account on with a prop firm called Apex Trader. There's a bunch of prop firms out there. So if you were looking to use one, you don't necessarily have to use this one. This is just the one that I chose because I had a decent deal for an account. I'm just now starting because I already passed an evaluation account, got to a funded account, and then I kind of broke a rule that I wasn't really paying attention to, so had to wait a month to reset it. I didn't want to pay the reset fee. So now we get to go through it together. Just real quick, I have the 50K account, so our profit goal is 3,000. We can't lose more than 2,500. And I'm going to be trading NASDAQ minis. They allow up to 10 minis at a time. However, we will never be trading 10 minis at a time. At most, maybe 2. $2,500 loss is too small to trade 10 minis. I still have my live account that we will trade here and there on the micros. Today was President's Day, so half of a trading session only and extremely low volume, so I didn't really want to risk any real money. Didn't really want to trade to begin with because volume was so low and the market was barely moving, as you'll see, but we were able to make a little bit off of 2 contracts with one trade. It was like a 20 to 30 minute trade. However, I do speed up through the boring parts. Before we get into the actual trades from today, with Apex Trader, you have to trade with NinjaTrader. I don't think you can trade with Tradervue. You might be able to trade with some other platforms, I'm not sure, but I've just stuck with NinjaTrader because in the documentation and instructions, it's pretty straightforward to set it up. So this is kind of my setup. I keep Tradervue in the background because that's what I'm used to. And then I have one window with the NASDAQ with a 22 range that kind of replaces the 22 range from Tradervue. So I just put this in the middle and then trade off of here. Here's your buys and sells. The exit at market and close all is this button right here, just called close. And then the P&L will show your open P&L. I have it displaying in points. I think that actually helps me instead of seeing actual dollar values. So this is just kind of how I have it set up. I used to have VWAP and some other lines on here, but they weren't showing up today for some reason, maybe because I haven't had this opened in like a month and I need to reset that, but I'll look into that, and then if I figure it out, I'll talk about it tomorrow, I guess. So if anyone else has the same issues, maybe they can fix that, or if you happen to know why they're not showing up, let me know in the comments. If you want to know more about Apex trading or just other prop firms, you can Google it, or I do have a video talking about Apex a little more in depth. And then also, if you wanted to sign up for an account, I have a coupon and a link in the description. So enjoy today's trading session. We came down and touched VWAP, so let's see if we can get this pushed back up to 400. I wanted to get in at VWAP around 80, 82-ish, but it's just moving too slow, so I wanted to wait for the move back up. Kind of hard to see the chart on NinjaTrader, so we'll watch a 5-minute over here on Tradervue. Or we can move that out. This is so painfully slow because of President's Day. But just wanted to take one trade today on this account. I'm gonna add one while it comes down and tests VWAP again. Our average entries now at 87.
Order filled.
Just being a little more aggressive because this is a evaluation account and it's day one. And we're moving pretty slow. This is so slow that it hurts. Double top, this little double top on the ES would be great to break through and maybe test all this resistance up here. That should pull up the NAS with it. Alright, I'm gonna just kill that there. I have to get off here, and those are really long trades. We managed to squeeze out $170 out of that. So we have a little green day to start us off on this evaluation account.